sometimes people share things with you and you get caught up with their emotions and experience what they're feeling. So can you control your emotions? You don't control your emotions. What you do control is your awareness. Ultimately, at the end of the day, you want to learn to control your awareness in the mind. So you keep your awareness with you. You can listen to someone sharing a problem with you, but don't get engaged with that problem. So the same way, if you're walking down the street and you see two people arguing or fighting, like a husband and wife or boyfriend and girlfriend arguing, you have two options. One option is to get involved or stand there and go like, oh my God, why is she doing that? He's a jerk, isn't he? How can you talk to a girl like that? Now you're getting engaged and you're getting upset. The second option is to hold your awareness with you and say, oh, I see two people arguing. I'm not going to get engaged. You're observing, right? And that's why I really stress the importance of learning to control awareness in your mind.